It's a very old advice. Always soak your sprouts before you cook or eat them. My question is why? Well, as long as you have a perfectly sprouted grain, which means grains which are soaked in water for just long enough for the sprout to be as long as the grain itself. Because any longer and the sprout starts using up the nutrients in the grain, decreasing its quality. Hence, as long as the sprout is perfect, two things happen. Number one, the enzyme inhibitor gets removed. All grains, beans, nuts, and seeds are built in such a way that they have barriers protecting themselves from the invaders. They are in a form of proteins and chemicals that are meant to discourage the animals consuming them. This line of defense is not harmful to the body. It just inhibits the proper absorption of nutrition from these sprouts. How does that happen? Basically, enzymes are chemical substances which help our body to digest food, while enzyme inhibitors are the substances which inhibit this nutritional process. Basically, by removing these inhibitors, we make it easier to cook and digest the food. The second reason for soaking these sprouts is for fermentation. In the process of fermentation, what we basically do is partially cook the food and bring out certain nutrients which otherwise we wouldn't have gotten. So in essence, the grain remains the same, the nutrients remain the same, but by soaking, we are increasing the amount of nutrients that we can actually absorb from that grain. We won't even get into the additional benefits of those antioxidants and fiber that goes into our body after eating a sprouted grain. And that's our answer for why do we soak our sprouts. Same amount of nutrients but much more access. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found your answer.